Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever seen those super cool TikTok videos where the background changes magically? That's the power of green screen videos. And today we're diving deep into what it is, why you need it, and how to do it. So stay tuned. So what is green screen video? With the green screen, users have been able to set their videos anywhere they can imagine. It allows content creators to easily superimpose any image or video they want in the background, opening up a world of possibilities for creativity. This technique is super popular among picture sharing, news commenting, and product reviewers. Scrolling on TikTok, you'll find many green screen videos. Let's take a look at some examples.
It is so bad, I want to give you a 0.
The cheapest iPhone 15 is going to be the one to buy this year, and for some reason, nobody's talking about that.
Here's part 2 of things that are literally none of my business.
Think of the sassiest man you know. It's Drake, isn't it?
Yeah, just get a 20 motif. Oh my gosh, you guys don't be silly. Just go get your 20 motif.
Next, let's talk about the reason for using green screen videos. Except for entertainment, green screen is super helpful for TikTok e-commerce live stream creators because it can ignore the physical restriction. Imagine you're a creator who hasn't received the latest product sample yet, but you still need to promote it as soon as possible. With green screen videos, you can simply place the product image in the background while you talk about its features. Problem solved. So how to create a green screen video on TikTok? I will show you step by step. First, open TikTok on your mobile phone and go to the profile page. Tap the plus sign down the bottom. Select Effects. Slide the options bar to the left until you reach the green screen page. Select any of the green screen effect icons from the green screen tab. Here, we take the first effect as an example. By clicking the plus button here, you can add the image or video you'd like to use as your background from the system album. This area is where your face will appear, and you can use 2 fingers to zoom in and out on the image. You can also drag this area to adjust the position where the image appears. Now you can tap the red button to do green screen on TikTok video with a customized background. And there you have it, a complete guide on making the most of green screen videos on TikTok. The possibilities are as endless as imagination, so go ahead. Give it a try and take your TikTok videos to the next level. Liveology. Making shoppertainment our science.